Index is 0. Enter it. Enter. Okay. So can you put a type of result dot groups? I believe it should be a tuple. No, you should have put groups. You made a group. That's why it gave wrong result. Groups of 0. Groups of yes. Now we should return. Yeah, you have got country, right? So, guys, now, like on top of what we have learned yesterday, can you please go there and then highlight the parenthesis, C dot star ROI parenthesis in the pattern, one level down, yeah, there. C dot star ROI parenthesis, no, C dot star ROI, highlight that parenthesis alone. So guys, this parenthesis means what? There may be multiple matches, but you want to group them based on some parentheses. Then these groups will be a tuple. First parenthesis will be a first element. Second parenthesis will be second element. Likewise, you can take. That's the beauty of parenthesis. Now use up arrow. Use the same result instead of C dot star Y. Let us up arrow. Go to result equal to RE dot search. Now R and then slash W plus. Slash W. Remove them. Yes, remove them. No, remove them. Within that parenthesis, backslash. No, R is not needed because already there. Backslash W plus. Execute that. Now you put a result. Now what do you see? The first word it has got matched, right? Because you have put a slash W plus. Now use up arrow. Give without that space. After W plus you have given a space, right? Slash W, remove that space. Now look at the impact. Put that. Now what do you see? In the earlier one, it got matched India and then this space. Now it has matched only India. Okay, cool. Now you use up arrow. After that parenthesis, put as curly brace. Mention maybe inside that you put only 5. Enter it. Now put a result. What do you see? India. Now after India, what is the second word? India is. Now instead of 5, you give 2. Use up arrow, give 2. Now we put a result. Okay. Now use up arrow. Put that curly brace 2 inside that slash W. Remove that parenthesis. Okay. Inside that curly brace 2. Yeah, done. Okay. So now it's not working, right? Now use up arrow.
Sir, one small help. Can you print my gesture once?
One second. Yeah. Can you please remove that parenthesis? Remove that. Okay. Keep everything. Slash W, there is a plus, right? Remove that plus alone. I'll tell you like why we got this error. Slash W, remove that plus.
I removed, sir, actually.
Now then put slash W, curly brace, and then like 2 to start with the 2.
1 second.
Curly brace, 2. Enter. Now put a result. Do you see that now we got a 2-letter word? In the India we have got IN, first 2 letters. India is the overall match. In that we have picked up the first 2 letters. So if you give slash W plus and then space, what is happening? Slash W is an alphabet. Plus means 1 or more. So it is basically helping us to take the word. In that, in India, I am looking for only 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. How can you do that? The curly brace means what? It means that the number of occurrence. So I'm telling you it is an alphabet, but limited to only 2. Now can you put mystr1, where put a double quotes, you can put something like India 1 2 3, India 1 2 3 4 5, without space, India 1 2 3, mystr1 equal to India 1 2 3 space, okay, or India 1 2 3 4 5, India 1 2, no pa, India 1 2 3 4 space, India 1 2 3 space, India 1 2 3 4 5.
There are two words, India 1 2 3 and then India 1 2 3 4.
1 2
Yeah.
3 4 5, right? Enter it. Now, last time we tried for /W. /W means what? Alphabet. Now let us try for a digit. Now use up arrow, result equal to re dot search. Go to that. There instead of /W, can you put /D?
The D for digit, right, sir? Yeah.
It's a small d, right?
Small d.
Not capital.
Small d.
/D and then to enter it. Now we are going to fetch the digit. Put a result. Do you see 1 2? Now can you put /D 3? So number of occurrence 3. So I'm looking for only 3. Now you put number of occurrences 5. Right, now you've got 1 2 3 4 5. Now the earlier 1 2 3 was from India 1 2 3. But this 1 2 3 4 5 is from India 1 2 3 4 5. So basically, curly brace will tell you, hey, I'm looking for 2 letters, or I'm looking for 20 letters. I'm looking for 3 digits. I'm looking for 30 digits. So the number of occurrence also we can mention. Is it clear?
Sir, Varun here.
Yes.
Shall we use capital W here instead of D? So will it give the same match, or that will be different?
W is, it represents non-alphabet.
Non-alphabet. So will it give 1 2 3 here, or?
Wait, see, there are two aspects. For digit we have /D. For alphabet we have /W. But when you think that any non-alphabet, anything that is not an alphabet will get patched, not only the digit.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now since you have explicitly asked, let us give a try. Instead of small d, you put /capital W.
Do I need to change that curly brace contents actually?
So 1 second. For me, the screen is a bit black. You are still sharing your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes. Hope others are visible.
Okay, for others, okay, fine now. Now you put a result. What has happened?
You didn't put anything, sir.
Right. Why? Because the /W is a non-alphabet. Okay. So when you look for the digit, you go for /D. You look for alphabet, you go for /W. When you want to match a non-alphabet, you go for /capital W. Okay. Cool. Now we'll go step by step. 1 second. So what we can do is that
So just one query I forgot actually. When you type result, is it list or tuple? I get confused, sir. When you put type of result, it will be.
It's a search object. It is not a tuple. It's not. It's a search object.
Okay.
It's a search object, match object basically. Because here there is no match. It is given untype. Okay, guys. So now let us slowly move to the next command, because search and there is another command called match. So Gokul, to answer your question, it is neither a tuple nor a list. It is a separate object called match object. Can you use up arrow?
Sir, this is Raghav here. I have a doubt.
1 second, Raghav. Let me clarify Gokul and then we'll come back. Use up arrow, one more up arrow. Instead of capital W, please change it to small d. Enter it. Now you put a type of result. Type of result. To show Gokul like what object it is. It is a match object. It is called as match. The type of result. Enter. You see that Gokul? So this is called match object Gokul. This itself will have lot of methods like start, end, span, string, and then
We saw the span start end actually, yeah, exactly.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
If you put a dir of result,
Correct.
if you put dir of result, you will get everything, you know, sir. Yeah.
Yes, that is what we did few minutes back. Yeah, thank you. Raghavendra, you please go ahead with your...
Yes, sir. So maybe it is a very silly, but I just want to know that R after R, right, in that re.search R, after that we give single quotes and that is a brace, right? Two things we have we are giving here. So instead of that, right, we can directly give only single quotes. That may work, right? So only we need to give braces, sir, here.
Can you please explicitly which one you are referring?
Yeah, that single quotes R after R, that is a single quotes we are starting, right?
Correct.
So after that,
Right.
we are giving a one braces, okay? And also the same way we are ending that brace. So that
It is
same,
not
that,
the brace, it is the bracket that you are referring.
bracket, yes. That
Bracket.
bracket, yes. So that bracket is really mandatory because two things we are giving, right? So what is the use of here, sir? Because without brace also it is working.
So bracket. So there is a command. Can you type result dot groups?
Sir, only one thing that the small thing is parenthesis, and that is brace. Don't confuse, huh? The nomenclature.
Result dot groups. Open enter. So Ramavendra, do you see that the result dot groups will have, it is a tuple basically, one. If you put multiple braces, for example, you want to find out India and the country in your search, okay? Let us do that. Result equal to re.search. Result equal to re.search. Now what you do, R and then one, say single quote, slash W plus, close the parenthesis. One second. And then slash small s, and then put slash one more parenthesis, slash W plus. Close that. Remove that space at the end. Execute that. Yeah, mystr1 or mystr. Okay, fine. Anyway, put a result. So now, do you see Raghavendra? It has matched India 1, 2, 3, India 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I am fetching the first two words by saying slash W plus. Good. Now, can you put result dot groups of 0? Dot groups, open parenthesis groups, open parenthesis, square parenthesis 0. 0 is the index. Put that. You see India 1, 2, 3. Now use up arrow. 1, put 1. You'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is
Okay.
that parenthesis will help.
Okay. So, grouping that exact.
No, not for grouping. That the parenthesis will help you to take the specialized output.
One small request. Can you put the type of that?
Okay, one second. So, rather let me clarify. So,
Okay.
you have a multiple matches. Give me a second, guys. One second.
Can you give type of the result dot groups, whether it is tuple, people will know, right? type of result dot groups. Yeah, 0 or whatever.
It shows like a tuple, Gokul, but earlier that re dot search
Yeah, match. Yeah, yeah.
be a match object, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that is what.
I just want to show people that people will be aware, right? So yeah, yeah.
But is that
Yeah.
different?
So Raghavendra. So
Yeah.
one second. So Raghavendra.
Yeah.
So when you write a pattern, it may match more words. Okay.
Okay.
And in that you want to access one or few of them. For example, if it has matched 5 words, you are interested in accessing, say, first word, second word, third word. It is not possible if you don't group it by parenthesis. You get that? So now if you look at, can you please highlight that? Slash w plus, that we have put it in inside a parenthesis. So which is that first match. Then slash s means what? Space. Then next one we have put it into a parenthesis. So first parenthesis is like the 0th element of the tuple. Second parenthesis means the first element of the tuple. So when there are multiple matches and you want to handle them individually, the only way to go about is to group them using the parenthesis. Is that fine?
Yeah, fine, sir. And one more doubt, sir. So in that parenthesis, we were exactly matching that pattern, like the pattern we were creating. It is for that particular my string we have defined, right? So exactly we are creating that pattern so that we can group that my string, so that we will take a couple of.
We'll talk about your words each and everything one by one. There is no exact match.
Okay.
If there is an exact match, you don't really need a regular expression. Here, slash w means what? It's a word. Word can be INDIA or INDA 123 or underscore is also like kind of included. This is what W means, word. How do you normally have a word? India 123 is a word, right? India is also a word. India 123 underscore is also a word.
Okay.
So slash W is a pattern.
Yeah, the pattern it can be matched exactly to the my string. So now that each and every parenthesis we were giving, right? So that groups of 0, right? It returns a tuple, right? So that was the type. So
Wait. Dot. There are two commands. Dot group. Dot groups. Okay. Can you type result dot group? Result is a match object. Just an FI. Okay. Yeah. Remove. No. Type result dot group alone. No. Type only result dot group. Yes. Enter it. What do you see?
Okay, exactly as it is, like how.
Do not use the word.
Sir, type you has missed. No, type.
Result dot group is showing you the all the matches.
Yes.
Right. Now, can you put the result dot groups? Now, result dot groups is giving you a tuple where, based on the number of parentheses that you had, since we had 2 parentheses, it has captured only the matched items that are encompassed with the parenthesis.
Oh.
Now, in result dot group, you can have India 123, India 1234, India 12345. You may have multiple like words, but in that multiple words, you are interested in only the second important word, 7th important word, 10th important word. How can you get that? Using parentheses. The moment you put something inside the parentheses, then that will be a part of your group's output, which is a tuple. Now, to give you one more example, use the up arrow. One more up arrow. Go to that slash w plus. Go to that result equal to something. Stay there. Now the same thing. Remove that parenthesis, Manjunatha. Or remove that parenthesis. Correct. Remove the second parenthesis also. Now enter it. Put result dot groups group. Result dot group. Now what should it have? All the matches, correct?
Yes,
In
with
the
exactly matches.
Sir, one query. What is the type of this, sir? List or a string or what?
It is a string. Result dot group is a string.
Can you type, sir? Just to since you get confused, can you just put it?
No. People will not confuse because there is a single quote there, right? But anyway, since you have asked, we will execute that.
Thank you, sir.
Right.
Group will
Now
give just. I got confused. Sorry for that. Yeah.
Now go to result dot groups. Enter. Now what do you see?
Tuple.
No. Yeah, it is empty.
Empty. Tuple,
Why
right?
it is empty? Because I have not used any parenthesis at all to give some special attention. Now, if there are multiple matches, in that, if you are interested in one or few, you want to give a special attention, put them inside a parenthesis.
Okay.
They will be a part of your groups, like a tuple.
Okay.
And then fetch like whatever you are interested in. Is that clear?
Yeah, clear, sir.
Sir, thanks for clarifying. Sorry to bother you much. Can you update MySTR with India 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like that? Modify the MySTR and run these two commands so people will understand.
You do one more MySTR3. Okay, what do you want to put, Gokul?
Sir, instead of 3 things, I want to put 4 strings. India 1, 2, India 1, 2, 3, India 1, 2, 3, 4, like that.
MySTR is like that only. Can you print MySTR? MySTR is India is my country, etc. Just to put MySTR. No, but just to put MySTR.
MySTR 1, I want more matches instead of 2 matches, sir.
Yeah.
Here I want to add 2 more data.
Gokul,
India,
1 second.
yeah.
Gokul, 1 second. Can you type MySTR? So this has more words, right? Now use the up arrow. Instead of MySTR1, change it to MySTR alone.
Sir, 5 minutes to answer. Meeting like that, 5 minutes to
Change it to enter it.
5 minutes.
Now put the result dot group. So this is what Gokul wanted to see. So it does not really matter. Okay. So slash. So you have India is my country. All those things. Now the first 2 words has got matched. Why? We have put /w plus, which represents one word. Slash is a space, and then /w plus is the next word. So when there are multiple words in your search string, and based on number of things that you are interested in, you can obviously can do that. Is that fine? Or is your query something different, Gokul?
Sir, sorry to interrupt. The MySTR 1 is there now, sir. Instead of 2, I want to add 2 more that India things. India 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
That is
are
what
up
you
to
are
7.
seeing now, right? India is my country and I love my country. There are 8 or 9 words there.
Yeah. No, I wanted that here India is not repeated now, sir. I want that repetition with more than 2. Just people will understand like that. MySTR has only 2 words, right?
Okay, here we are not doing any letter-based search. If you look at the search is like /w, which means that alphabet.
Okay.
ABCD, capital ABCD, and 0 through 9 and underscore. So it does not do anything with India or country or East. It treats everything as the same. Gokul, are we in sync?
Yes, sir. Sir, if you want to attach with the special character, for example, India at 1, 2, 3, India at 1, 2, 3, 4, India at 1, 2, 3, 5. If there is a special character mix, how we will handle it, sir?
Okay. So okay, let us say there is a India at 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now
Next will be India at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 things at the rate, yeah.
Right. Now, what do you want to search?
That India and the special character should be present in everything. That only I have to take. If special character is not there, I have to omit that. Say first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good question. MySTR4 equal to India at 1, 2, 3 space India at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space India 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without at. Okay, enter. Now use the search. Go ahead. Where let us define a pattern. No, go to the some result. Result equal to whatever already there, go there. Now we need to modify the pattern. First, one second. Okay, go slowly, Manjunath. I will handhold you. You just need to be a little bit slow. Use up arrow. Use up arrow. Go to the result equal to. Use up arrow. No, use up arrow. Go. Copy paste that. If that's also fine. Enter it. Enter it.
Sir, I need to change STR.
STR4 has to give it.
Just change it to STR4. Yes, obviously. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, you're right. Enter it. Now put a result. What do you see? It matches 1, 2, 3 space India alone. Look at this. It matches 1, 2, 3 space India alone. Can you tell me why? Can you put a hash symbol? Hash symbol, which is a command. Hash symbol. Hash.
Sorry. Okay. Yeah.
Hash and write /W. /W represents small a hyphen type small a hyphen this underscore hyphen small z z comma capital A hyphen capital Z comma 0 through 9 and then underscore. Clear? Comma and then underscore. Now enter. Now since we have put a /W, the India will get matched, but since at is present, it did not match. Okay, but what does that mean? It starts with 1, 2, 3 space India. Since the at is there, it has stopped. But what is our goal now? We look for a word which does not have at. That is what Google's question. What should we do? Use the up arrow. In the pattern, you go to you change it to that set instead of /W and all. Let us change it.
Can I modify all? Can I do it?
Just /W. You remove that pattern alone. Remove that pattern alone. Remove that backslash also. Put a square parenthesis. Set means square parenthesis. Now what and all is allowed? A hyphen small z.
Yeah.
Hyphen small z. Capital A hyphen. No, don't put comma and all. No, don't do that. Capital I mean just type whatever thing. Capital A hyphen capital Z.
Space also not needed, sir.
No, not needed. If that is it, I will express it detail. Capital A hyphen capital Z and then 0 hyphen 9. Right. And then after first you do this and then we'll go step by step. Enter it. So now you put a result. Okay. Now it has matched the very first one, I. It makes sense. Now use the up arrow and then you put after the square parenthesis you put plus. There, yes. Enter it. Now you put a result. Now what do you see? India has got matched. Why? Because that at symbol, correct? At symbol is present, so it has matched till India. Now use up arrow. After that plus, you put a $. Enter. Now you put a result. Now, Gokul, this is what your question is, right? So guys, we went step by step. You follow.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you. Sir,
first,
thank you.
So if you guys look at, can you please highlight that /W /S? No, go to the very first search. There /W/S/W. What does it represent? Alphabet. But what is alphabet? Small a to small z. But that is what the regular expression. Capital A to capital Z, 0 to 9 underscore. Good. But what it matched? 1, 2, 3 space that thing. Okay, no, that is what I'm not looking for. Good. Then we put a set based search. I express it in A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9. Good. But it has matched only India. And my goal is to India 1, 2, 3. Then what I did, I know that the dollar, the moment I put that, we are able to get that. Now use up arrow. Let us do it a bit differently. Use up arrow.
Sir, can I say
Now,
one pattern, sir? You don't mind, I don't.
One second, Google, one second. Let us logically calculate on that. Use the left, go to that pattern. Now, instead of small a to z, small a to z, remove that. Remove everything. Remove the pattern. Now, this is one way to put it, right? Remove that pattern. Whatever you see, no.
Oh, sorry.
Not whatever you see within the square parenthesis. Now, put a square parenthesis. Go a bit slow. Square parenthesis. Caret symbol. Inside that you put a caret symbol and put at. Okay. Now after that you put a move after that dollar plus and then dollar plus dollar. Enter it. Now you put a print result. So guys, now look at this. The at symbol means what? At symbol means what?
Special.
It represents the specific letter. Good. But the moment I put a caret, what does that mean? Not of that. So one way is to put a positive case, the other way is to put a not of it. Good. Now how can I get only India 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alone? Use the same pattern. Use the same up arrow. Up arrow. Now before that square parenthesis, before that give /s. /s. Put a parenthesis now. And then close the parenthesis after plus. Enter it. Now you put a result. Now, do you see that? Space India 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now, how will you take India 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 alone? Now you put a result dot groups. Result dot groups. So this is where the parenthesis will be super useful. Now you put a groups of 0. What will you get? Raghavendra, what will you get now? No, sir. After this, and then 0.
Group of 0. That square bracket 0.
No. You keep one second. Groups.
Okay, got it.
Remove that 0 alone. After that square parenthesis, because this indexing.
Yeah, indexing.
Yeah. Enter it. Now you got India 1, 2, 3. So Gokul,
Thank you,
this
sir.
is another way where you can use not character inside the set 1. You can use the parenthesis and then you will be able to get India 1, 2, 3, 5. So guys, this is another good learning for all of us, that to get a desired output, you can try with multiple ways using regular expression. That's the beauty. You can directly look for alphabet one way, not a digit another way. So many things are there.
So the final thing, and I will go for mute. You gave the caret symbol and not, no, sir. In that, if you put contains, we will get the first and second thing, and third will be omitted. Correct, sir?
There is nothing called the contains. Okay. Whatever you give within that square parenthesis, that will be or operator. If you give ABC there, it will say, either A or B or C. So what we have given A hyphen small z, capital A hyphen capital Z, 0 hyphen 9. So which means that any letters and any digit. So that will match for only one character. So now, can you print my str? Can you print
Yes.
my str? Just to put my str. So guys, now tell me, I want you guys to show only the first 4-letter word. How do you do? Use up arrow. Go to that search, re.search. Now go to the other one, that A hyphen small z, capital A hyphen, use up arrow. Stay there. Now instead of plus, can you put square, curly brace,
4.
4.
And I need to edit this MySTR one.
No, not that dollar. Dollar is only for int, right? Remove that. Give /s. because it should be a word, right? Slash s. Now it's a mystr4, you should put mystr. Mystr1 now, whatever the
Sorry,
right.
sorry, my STR.
Okay, fine, that's fine. Enter it. Output result.
So in space it's not required, right, sir?
No, sir, it is required. We will do that. Please use up arrow. Before that, go to the left. Before that, give one more space. Not here at the start. Go left. Stay there. Before the square parenthesis. Before the square parenthesis, put a slashes.
Put slash yes. Okay.
Yes. Slash yes. Yeah. Now you execute that. Yeah. Look for it. Do you see that? We have gotten the first 4-letter word. Guys, do you all see that?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. The love is the first 4-letter word. Other things are like 5, 2, more than 5 and single.
Now you can use up arrow. Now after that slash s, put a parenthesis. There, yes. Start the parenthesis. Before slash s, close the parenthesis. Enter it. Now you put a result. No. Result dot groups of 0. Put it. You will get that.
Okay. Without space it comes, right?
Groups. Open parenthesis and the square parenthesis 0. Enter. Did we get love? So guys, this might be one of the interview questions where people ask, hey, there are so many things are there. How will you find out the first 4-letter word, etc.? Okay, good. Can you also use up arrow instead of re.search? You try with re.find all. Re.find all. Find all. Execute that. Put the result. How many 4-letter words are there? Only one or multiple? Enter. Only love. Now use maybe curly brace 4 instead of 4. You put 2. But we should be able to get all the 2-letter words.
Sir, we can use mystr4 in India, so we will get multiple things. Find all.
Yes, you are right. So guys, do you see that? Is and my. Now guys, remember that as Google keeps asking, right? The return value of re.search is a match object. But the return value of re.findAll is a list. Now, in an interview, people will ask one question. Hey, you are given with a paragraph. How do you know that how many 3-letter words are there? 4-letter words are there. This is the way. Now you put a len of result. Enter. This says, hey, in mystr there are only two letters word. Use the up arrow. Instead of mystr, you change mystr4 or something.
Sir, one small help. Can that guy type of result? So I will see the list in my eyes.
Type of result is a list, Google.
No, for the log perspective, sir. Just
sure.
People will refer in future. They will forget. No, just type of result, please. So I want to see that in my list. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So now instead of mystr, you try with some other mystr2 or 4 or whatever it is.
mystr4. Yeah.
4 or whatever it is. Enter and put result. 0 because put a mystr. Let us see what exactly mystr is. No, sir. Type mystr alone.
Okay.
Type mystr. Let us see what mystr4. It says mystr4. mystr4.
Sorry.
It's okay. That's fine. There is no like 4-letter word, right? Now India 5 letters. 9. Can you try with 9? Use the up arrow. Try instead of 2, you put 9. So it should return 1 actually. Remove. It should return 1 now. Result. Why?
mystr4, sir.
mystr4, sir. Okay, wait. What is
instead of 10 you can put, sir. It's a 10 numbers.
INDIA. I got it. Because at is not
special character.
Use up arrow. After a-z, you add at as well. Go to the pattern. Add at. Yes. Type at as well. At. Now enter it. Now put result. Why? Okay, I got it. I got it.
So
now
it is 10 letter word, right? No.
No. Use up
11.
arrow. No, use up arrow.
5, 6,
You remove the first slashes. Remove that. Enter it.
players getting matches.
Yeah. Now you put result. It should match.
Yeah, it's fine.
Right? Yeah. Right? So guys, so again.
Sir, when the second thing, dia is coming, I is not coming.
It is because that is what we have put, right?
Okay.
So we are not looking for a space.
Okay.
So there is a space that is why it has got omitted, because we are looking for only 9 letters.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We are looking for only 9 letters, right?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, got it.
Right. That's okay. So here the point is that you need to be aware of what are the different ways in which you can do your patternization. Then there are multiple ways to get the same output. So find all will give you the multiple matches in a single list. Good. Now instead of re dot to find all, use up arrow, type re dot match. Okay, re dot match. Now all those things are there, right? Okay, now enter it. Now put result. Right. What do you see? India at 123 space, correct?
Yes.
Right. So search and match will behave the same way. But there is only one catch though that I am going to show you now. Use up arrow. Instead of 9, now can you give what is that? India at 123 and India at 1 2 3 4 5. So that should be 11. Now give 11. We are looking for 11 letter word. Enter it. Put result. Result is empty now, correct?
Yeah.
Now use the same thing. Put re dot search. Now you print the result. Now it has got a match. So guys, the difference between match and search is that they both will behave the same way. But re.search will look for the presence of a given pattern in the entire sentence, anywhere in the sentence. It can be in the beginning, middle, end. It will check and tell you that, hey, India at 1 2 3 4 5 is matching. But re.match will always look for from the start of the sentence. It is as good as use the up arrow. And before that parenthesis, go to r slash single quote, stay there. Put a caret symbol. Caret means start, correct? Enter it. Now you put result. It is nothing. Why? At the start we do not have an 11 letter word. We have 9 letter word only, correct? So re.search will look for anywhere in the sentence, starting, ending, middle. But re.match will only look for from the beginning. That is the difference. Everything else, the starting index, ending index, groups, everything is same. Guys, is that clear?
Yeah, match means the first match, correct?
No. Match will do from the beginning of the word.
From the beginning, okay.
It is not the first match, from the beginning. From the beginning, if it is there no match, it will say it is not matching. Okay? But search anywhere in the sentence, it will match. Find all will give you the multiple matches. Okay? Now can you put a help of re.sub? Re.sub means substitute. So you need to give the older pattern, newer pattern, then it will help you to replace that. Can you please type help re.sub?
Help.re, right?
Sorry, yeah. Help of re.sub.
Sorry.
So it will give you old pattern, new pattern string. It's exactly a replacement. What do you see? The pattern and like what do you want to replace with, good, and then the given string and how many occurrences you want to replace with that. Flags it can be like re dot, what is that? Ignore case, all those things we can do. Now, can you type my str?